Hey guys, what's up, welcome back to another video. So this video, I'm at this party, New York State of Mind. Yes guys, and as you can see, girl looking stunning, makeup on point, in her black and white. Yes, and I am having fun, can't complain. The party was so lit. Check out those nails, on point. So yes guys, just showing you a little of what Corey Gooders do in her everyday life. So that's just me having fun. Anyone who knows me know that I love to have fun, and yes, I was away from a lot of people, and the venue is big enough for social distancing. It's an inside and outside venue. So please don't bash me in the comment section and say, where is your mask or stuff. Yes, I do have my mask. Understand? Whenever I'm going to the bathroom or stuff, I just put it on. But where I'm at, I really don't need my mask at that time. Yes guys, and please, when y'all watch this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. As you can see, a girl is turned up. She's having fun, lots of fun. And guess what guys, I deserved it, because what, I've been doing a lot of exams since of lately. I just finished end of semester exams, and I'm moving on to a next semester. As you know, I'm in college. I'm doing business management. My bachelor's in science, degree in business management. Yes, guys. So, I deserve to have some fun. Studying a lot the other day, school work and all that. So now it's time for Corey Gooders to have fun, you know. Just now is more work and work for her. Well, yeah, I'm saying for her. For me, just now is more work for me. As you can see, that Sky there, she's messing with me about my heels, because I tell her earlier on that, oh, she was like, what you doing in the heels? What you doing in the heels? I say, I'm good. She said, you go manage the heels all night. I say, yeah. So when I was dancing, I was saying, you are in flats, I am in heels. She said, no, you say you're good with the heels, and so don't say that. Anyway, she's American. But it's a good vibe. As you can see, I am turned up. Sorry y'all couldn't get the original voice, so I have to voice over the video for you guys. Because, you know, we don't want to get no copyright over here, you know. But I am turned up. No copyright. We don't want no copyright. But I still have to share a little about Corey. You know, you don't know his life with Corey Gooders, so she have to give you a little of everything that she do. You know. Yes, that's Bugsy over there. Bugsy's birthday is tomorrow. Yeah, yes. We're going to be turned up. Yes. The Bossy Tuesday team. Bossy Tuesday and Cookout team. Let me do it properly. We outside. New York State of Mind. Guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Check out them nails. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Check those shoes. Oh my God, I'm in love with those shoes now. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Corey Gooders. Guys, don't forget the number one rule. The number one rule is, before you even watch the video, take a minute and subscribe. So guess what? Me I wait. Wanna subscribe it? Alright? Think gonna subscribe now. Yeah, the number one rules, always subscribe. You understand? Remember, we are here to build this. We are not here to break this down. We are here to build this channel. So guess what? The number one rule, always remember to subscribe. That's the number one rules. You know? Like the video, always match up the likes with the view. Don't only view the video, like the video. You understand? And remember, whenever I reach to 1,000 subscriber, I must start giving post notification shout out. You understand? For the first person who comment, the first person. You understand? The first person who comment. Yeah, me I gonna start give out post notification shout out. So as soon as me reach 1,000, and I'll be giving away stuff too. So wanna help me reach to 1,000 subscriber, and then I go see what Curry have in store for now. You understand? Because yeah, we're building this. You know, as my DJ Bugsy that say, we are build this, you know. We not run down things, we are build it. You know, so yes guys, like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you guys for watching my